Learn to create simple sentences. Here we have to choose the subject and an action. We take dog and runs. Let's make a simple sentence. The dog runs. The dog runs. Again, you have to pick a subject and a verb. Let's take bird and flies. Here we make a simple sentence. The bird flies. The bird flies. What is the monkey doing? Does he jump or eat? Yes, the monkey eats. Now we have to choose subject, action and an object. We take boy reads and a book. Let's make a simple sentence. The boy reads a book. The boy reads a book. Again, we can choose a subject and an action. You can choose some other options and make your own sentences. Let's make a sentence with fish and swims. The fish swims. The fish swims. Let's play a game. Do you know matching? Yes, here we go. The lion roars. The lion roars. Next one. The sun shines. The sun shines. Last one. The girl dances. The girl dances. Again, you have to choose a subject and an action. You can make your own sentence now. What is that? The car moves. The car moves. Let's play a game. Which sentence is correct? The fish swims. What would you do in your daily life? Think and say it loud. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.